Hey there, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for practical tips on wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition with a topic that's close to our hearts. 6 food habits that can help you stay healthy without dieting. If you've ever felt like dieting was a daunting task, you're in the right place. We've got some game-changing habits that will keep you in top shape without the stress of traditional diets. So, grab a healthy snack and let's get started. Segment 1. Now, I know the word diet can send shivers down the spine of even the most dedicated health enthusiasts. But fear not, my friends. We're not talking about restrictive diet plans that leave you craving a midnight snack. Instead, let's focus on habits. Simple, sustainable changes to your food routine that can make a significant impact. Fact 1. Mindful eating. Our first game changer is all about mindfulness, not just a trendy buzzword, but a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy relationship with food. Picture this. You're sitting down for a meal, fully present, savoring each bite. Mindful eating is about paying attention to the textures, flavors, and even the colors of your food. By doing this, you're less likely to overeat because you're tuned in to your body's signals. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Imagine relishing a crisp apple or a juicy piece of watermelon, appreciating the burst of flavors with each bite. Mindful eating isn't about restriction. It's about enjoying and appreciating the food you choose to fuel your body. Fact 2. Hydration habits. Now, let's talk about something we often overlook: hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for overall health. Did you know that sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger? Yep. That feeling of wanting a snack might be your body signaling that it needs water. So, our second habit is all about making hydration exciting. Jazz up your water by adding slices of citrus fruits or a few mint leaves. Invest in a reusable water bottle, carry it with you, and make sipping water a habit. You'll be amazed at how this simple change can reduce unnecessary snacking and leave you feeling more energized. Segment 2. Alright. Now that we've laid the foundation with mindfulness and hydration, let's delve into some more habits that will make a positive impact on your health journey. Fact 3. Fiber-rich choices. Next up, we've got the unsung hero of nutrition, fiber. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your meals is a fantastic way to stay full and satisfied. But we're not talking about tasteless cardboard here. We're talking about delicious, wholesome options. Think colorful veggies, whole grains, and legumes. These foods not only provide the essential fiber your body needs but also come packed with vitamins and minerals. Imagine creating a vibrant, fiber-rich plate that not only satisfies your taste buds but also keeps you feeling full for longer. It's like giving your body a nutritious hug. Fact 4. Balanced plate approach. Now, let's talk about the balanced plate approach. Forget about complicated ratios and percentages. This is about keeping it simple. Picture your plate. Half filled with colorful veggies, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains or healthy starches. This approach ensures you're getting a variety of nutrients without feeling deprived. It's not about cutting out food groups but rather embracing a balanced and sustainable way of eating. Your plate becomes a canvas of nutrition, providing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. Fact 5. Smart snacking. Who said snacking has to be a guilty pleasure? Our 5th habit revolves around smart snacking. Choosing nutrient-dense options that keep you satisfied between meals. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, consider snacking on a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt with berries, or crunchy veggies with hummus. These snacks not only satisfy your cravings but also provide essential nutrients. It's all about making informed choices that contribute to your overall well-being. Segment 3. By now, you're probably thinking, Leo, these habits sound fantastic, but what about the enjoyment factor? Well, fear not. Our final habit brings all the joy to your healthy eating journey. Fact 6. Culinary Adventures. Say hello to Culinary Adventures. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or monotonous. It's time to explore new flavors, try different cuisines, and get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with herbs and spices, discover the joy of cooking with fresh ingredients, and treat your taste buds to a variety of wholesome meals. When you view healthy eating as an exciting adventure, it becomes a sustainable lifestyle rather than a temporary fix. And there you have it. 6 game-changing food habits that can help you stay healthy without the stress of traditional diets. Remember, it's not about restriction. It's about making choices that align with your long-term well-being. Leo M. Voiceover. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Health Spiffy for more practical wellness advice, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm Leo M. signing off. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.